As with any part of your car, early detection of transmission issues can save you hundreds of dollars, as well as prevent further, more serious damage to your vehicle. This is why it is important to learn to recognize the warning signs of transmission trouble, and what to do when you start to experience any sign that could indicate a transmission failure. Now let us look at 10 common symptoms of transmission problems you should look out for. Common symptoms of transmission problems. 1. Refusal to switch gears. If your vehicle refuses or struggles to change gears, you are more than likely facing a problem with your transmission system. Low or incorrect types of transmission fluid could be the reason why your vehicle is refusing to switch gears. What to do? Check your transmission fluid levels and top up if necessary. If the issue persists, consult a professional mechanic to avoid further complications. 2. Burning smell. When you notice any burning smells coming from your car, you should visit an auto shop right away. This odor can be an indication that your transmission is overheating or the transmission fluid is old and burnt. Prevention tip. Regularly change your transmission fluid as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer to prevent overheating. 3. Noises. When in neutral. Weird noises coming from your vehicle when in neutral are a sure sign that something may be wrong with your transmission. If you are lucky, the noises may indicate that your car is ready for new transmission fluid, which would be flushed and replaced by a professional. On the other hand, it could also mean that your car requires a replacement or further service by a professional auto mechanic. Pro tip: address these noises promptly to avoid costly repairs down the line. Not only is it scary and alarming if your gears impulsively slip in and out of place while you are driving, but this scenario is also dangerous. It is never recommended to drive with a slipping transmission. You will know your transmission has slipped when you hear the engine revving during a gear change. It is often compared to the feeling of driving over ice, with no apparent traction on the road. Other symptoms include a delay in acceleration, strange noises, and a harsh response when shifting gears. What to do? Have your car inspected by a mechanic immediately to ensure your safety on the road. A dragging clutch fails to disengage the clutch disc from the flywheel in your vehicle when you press the clutch pedal. This issue causes the gears to clash and the car to move when shifting gears. A dragging clutch is commonly caused due to a mechanical failure or misplacement of the clutch. Action step: consult a professional mechanic to repair or adjust the clutch mechanism. Leaking transmission fluid is one of the easiest transmission problems to identify. If you notice a red, sweet-smelling fluid underneath your car in the garage or a parking lot, let your mechanic know they need to check the transmission fluid level and inspect for possible leaks. Or you can do this yourself. Prevention tip: regularly check for fluid leaks and have them addressed quickly to prevent major issues. A lit-up check engine light on your dashboard can indicate a variety of car issues, both minor and serious. Make sure a local technician takes a look to determine if the source of the problem is related to your transmission. Quick tip: use an OBD2 scanner to identify the error code for a more precise diagnosis. Grinding or shaking, more common in cars with an automatic transmission, often indicates a problem when gears change. This is a sure sign that your transmission needs attention. What to do? Schedule an inspection with a professional mechanic immediately to prevent further damage. Humming, whining, or clunking noises are all signs that something could be wrong with your transmission. While there are many reasons why your vehicle may be emitting strange noises, they should be addressed by a professional mechanic. Pro tip: record the sounds if possible and share them with your mechanic for a quicker diagnosis. If your car does not respond when you attempt to change gears, especially from park to drive, it is most likely caused by a problem with your transmission and will need service. Next step: stop driving and have your vehicle towed to a repair shop to prevent further complications. Regular maintenance. Follow your vehicle's maintenance schedule for transmission fluid changes and inspections. Use the correct fluid. Always use the manufacturer-recommended transmission fluid. Avoid overheating. Avoid towing heavy loads or driving aggressively, as these can overheat the transmission. Address issues early. Don't ignore early warning signs. Minor repairs now can prevent major expenses later. Don't ignore these symptoms. Spotting the symptoms of transmission problems early can save you time, money, and stress. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, consult a professional mechanic as soon as possible to ensure your car remains safe and reliable.